I found this funny Wattpad comment. If the new family and Tord had been dating a traitor, the wicked truth. The female characters in the clubs, the chilies to see body is my favorite part. And cut hair. And my hair cut off Tord so hard to the wall, adding more shipping to the chilies, and they both grew. And Patrick said as the traitor the wicked is freaking out about to make sure that one of the songs and Patrick and I sound one of Hawaii Willies. And Patrick said as a sinner who I was reading one with the white wheels. And Patrick sound of the chilies to see Baldy in the club, just to see the chilies to see Baldy in the club, the chilies to see you soon. And Patrick and I Jesse, well, no, you don't have it about soon. You have to be Pastel and Patrick, and I sound of the one with the Hawaii oilers, and Patrick, and I sound of the one with the knife, and I sound of the want to see Baldy is my favorite butter kid. It's my favorite butter candy, the chilies. The Jehovah to chilies. The one with the half. The one with the song. And Patrick said in the club, and Tord had a female. And I have to make sure you a nasty game in my a nasty game in my hair. It was about Trader Joe's has to see you. You don't know what I told you. Oh my God. How do you read this? I'm a Comrade Obama, and Patrick said as I looked at one with the white oilers. And Patrick and I sounded the white oilers. And Patrick and I sounded the one with the Hawaii oilers, and cut Jehovah's Witness, and my hair cut off the Hawaii oilers girl. I'm sorry, but I found news to chilies. To be rude to chilies, I am Pastel Tom Sick Tord. I have crippling the Then you got a godly woman, and Baldy in the club, Baldy in the club. Then just random letter.